inside the Niger Delta.
Belemaoil Producing Limited, an indigenous exploration and production company operating in the Niger Delta, has concluded plans to create 10,000 jobs in the region and beyond. The decision is in fulfillment of the company's pledge to create employment on a massive scale, shortly after it was awarded crude oil export terminal at Kula in May this year. Correspondent Tekena Milfuri has more.
The Department of Petroleum Resources under the Federal Ministry of Petroleum Resources had in May this year approved the establishment of an oil terminal for Belemaoil Producing Limited. The establishment of the Belemaoil Terminal in Kula, which is strategically located on the threshold of the Atlantic, is expected to facilitate crude oil storage and transportation. To this end, Belemaoil is shopping for a preliminary skilled workforce to operate the facility, in line with international standards in the oil and gas industry. In operating the oil terminal, the indigenous oil giant has concluded arrangements to create about 10,000 jobs. In the first phase of the project, Belemaoil is to employ 68 persons, with 30 drawn from its host communities. 23 other candidates will be selected from across the 23 local government areas of Rivers State, 9 from the states comprising the Niger Delta, and 6 from each geopolitical zone of the country.
We will try to maximize the participation of the stakeholders of the region. The initial phase is to start using Nigerian manpower to operate and maintain the FSO with the little people from the original operator.
Those to be engaged by Belemaoil are mechanical engineers and technicians, electricians, able seamen, captains for ships, DP3 systems operators and deckhands who are expected to have NIMASA and ORON certifications. They will be further trained and certified for the job in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, where the vessel to operate the FSO is currently undergoing construction.
This unit will be sailing to the waters in Nigeria by the end of the year or early in January, expected to be in Nigerian waters in February.
The inclusion of local manpower in the operation of the Belemaoil Terminal is in furtherance of the company's mission to create sustainable wealth in its host communities and the rest of the country.
Inside the Niger Delta.